Guys, what's going on? So this is going to be another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Enterprise Edition Docker application. So this is something that I've never actually gotten the chance to dive into, so this is going to be kind of my first look at the Docker application. And I'm actually pretty interested in getting into this and seeing what Docker really is and what it can do. And if it goes well, then I'm actually quite interested in building out a few applications using Docker. So I'm just going to dive right into it and go through their getting started. I guess they have 8 steps that I'm going to go through. So yeah, we're going to dive right into it. So first step, secure your deployment pipeline. Before you can deploy the Tomcat application, you should make sure that you can trust it. Okay. With Docker Enterprise Edition, when someone creates an application package, they can sign that package. So before you run your application, you can confirm that the package was created by someone you trust and wasn't changed by someone else along the way. Okay, that seems kind of logical. So go to the Tomcat repository and check if the package is signed. Okay, so let's see. How do we get to that? How do we get to the Tomcat repository? Do we go to repositories? We have a lot of containers running right now. Stacks, services, we don't have any services, collections. I don't see a repository. Ah, here we go. Click on Docker Trusted Registry above. There we go. Click the example/Tomcat repository. Okay, private. Scan on image push, check. View details. Okay, view details. Click on the images tab. No tags. You can see a couple of interesting things like the package versions and their architecture. The signed icon tells you that this package has been signed. Okay. Well, I don't see this signed icon anywhere. So let's just keep going on it. Now that we've confirmed that the Tomcat application is signed, wait, so I haven't confirmed that. Am I doing something wrong here? Let's just try this again. Images, yeah, there's nothing here that says it's signed. Well, I don't see that icon. Okay. I mean, I guess we can just keep going with it. Deploy your app. Now that we've confirmed the Tomcat application is signed, let's deploy it. Okay, so go to the control plane, click on stacks, and click on create stack. Okay, so we're going to name your application Tomcat. Okay, and set the mode to services and paste the code. Okay, looks like some JSON. Ports 8080 image. So this is the the code for the image. .ttr.dockertrial.com/example/com Tomcat 9.0. Click to upload a YML file. Oh yeah, we don't need to do that. The definition basically says that we are going to deploy the version 9.0 of Tomcat application. It also describes the port where the application will be available. Version 9.0. Okay. So what if we change this to like 11.3? Well, we're not gonna play around with that. I guess version is fine here as well. Okay. When you're done, click Create to deploy your application. Let's do that. Okay, so it says created successfully, so I guess that means that the application has been deployed. Check your app. Click the Done button and navigate to the services page. At a glance, you can see that the Tomcat is already running. Let's see. So I'm going to go to the services page. Okay. I can't really tell that it's running, but it looks like here might be an endpoint that we can connect to. And yeah, so we have an Apache Tomcat instance loaded up, which is pretty cool. Now click the Tomcat service to see all its details. When it was deployed, the environment variables that were set up, the networks the service connects to, and a bunch of other configurations. On the right hand side, click the published endpoint to the app. Yep. So here is our spin up of this Apache Tomcat, I guess, server. And let's just do a quick little analysis of this web page, see what comes up. Okay, so we actually can't reach that, but that's okay. We do 8,000. Just gonna, yeah, not gonna connect. Okay. Well, we'll queue it up, and maybe we'll use it again. And go to step number 5. Monitor your app. In the right-hand side panel, you can view when the service was deployed, the environment variables that were set, the networks that the server connects to, and a bunch of other configurations. ID, name, created, updated, secrets, environment, labels, com.docker, okay. Okay. At a glance, you can see the CPU and memory consumption of the container running the application. If you click on the container, you can see its details, like the node that is currently running the container. Okay, what if we wanted to, so we can roll back, we can restart and remove it. Okay, configure, details, collection, scheduling network, environment resources, inspect resource, containers and secrets. Okay, yeah, cool, cool. Let's continue. Scale your service. We don't want this service to slow down if we start having a lot of users. Let's scale it to have more replicas and be able to handle more requests. Go back to the Tomcat service by navigating to services on the left. Okay. Click on Tomcat_web, then click on the configure drop down and choose scheduling. Okay. Scale number 5. Okay, and I guess update. If you navigate to the containers page, you can see that there are now 5 different containers running Tomcat. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. You have scaled your application to multiple containers. Well, that seems wonderful. Scan your application. How can you know if the app has any security vulnerabilities that can be exploited once it is live? Docker Enterprise Edition has a scanner that checks your packages for vulnerabilities. Well, that sounds nice. Go to the Tomcat repository to view scan results. Click on the Docker Trusted Registry above. Okay. Find the example/Tomcat repo. Click View Details. Click on Images. Yeah, this is. I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? Because there's nothing under. I mean, there's nothing under Images. Click on the Images tab. Click on View Details to see the scan results. Yeah, there's nothing under Images. So I guess we're gonna miss out on this step. I mean, there's just absolutely nothing under permissions or images or manifest. So I don't know. I don't know if I didn't do something entirely correct. Maybe I need to make this public. That didn't, no. Well, okay. Maybe there's just something not correct going on. And let's recap what you've done so far. In a matter of minutes, you've validated if your application could be trusted, deployed your application, monitored the application and its resource usage, scaled the application to handle more workloads, and scanned the application for vulnerabilities. If you think this was cool, keep in mind this is just the beginning. We didn't get to explore how you can scale your deployment to manage multiple nodes, how to grant access to other users of your infrastructure, and a bunch of other interesting features. Feel free to continue exploring, but don't forget that this is a demo environment, so don't upload any private data or applications. The best way to continue exploring Docker Price Enterprise Edition is to try it in your infrastructure. Okay, contact us to learn more. And a call to action to contact their sales number, which we're not going to do this now, but we might continue to play around with this admin system, or this control plane as they call it, a little more throughout this series. And yeah, so I think this could be a good wrapping point for our introduction to Docker. This is a very interesting application. I know it is huge in the developer community, and I know you can build some really cool things with it. So look forward to working more with this application, and if you like this content, you want to see more, let me know down in the comments. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about this video, guys. So again, thank you very much for watching this video, and